Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make your computer screen stay on longer. Here are the steps to make your computer screen stay on longer on your Windows. First is to click the Start menu, the Windows icon. Choose Settings, the gear icon. In the Settings window, click System. On the left side, choose Power. Under the Screen section, find on Battery Power. Turn my screen off after. Click the drop down menu and choose a longer time, such as 10 minutes, 20, or 30 minutes. Under the same section, find Make My Device Sleep After. Set this to a longer duration, or choose Never if you want the screen to stay on indefinitely. Adjust Make My Device Hibernate After to a longer time, or set to Never. On the search bar, search for the Edit Power Plan. I'll just turn off the display and put the computer to sleep to your preferred longer times. Click Save Changes to apply your new settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.